All right, now this one is the tutorial video for lines 3 and 4 for clarinets, trumpets, tenor saxes, alto saxes, and baritones. All right, so we have on line number 3, a new note. Hold up your hands. Review your spaces. 1, 2, ready, spaces, F, A, C, E. Okay, now for bass clef, it's a little different. A, C, E, G. What letter are the trumpets, tenor saxes, and clarinets all playing?
F, A, C, E.
So what letter are you playing?
C, sorry. No, B.
You were right.
Oh.
Alto sax is playing C. What about for you?
E.
No? So the way we figure it out is we look at where is the circle. When you're looking at the music, the note is either going to be in between two lines in the space, or it'll be on a line, where the line cuts through it. So for the trumpet and clarinet part, you look at it, what space is that one in? It's in the F space. So every time I'm going to ask that question, that's what I'm looking for, is what space is it in your hand matched to the paper? Okay? So for clarinets, it's F, which is thumb only, making sure it thumbs in a diagonal. For trumpets, what valve is pushed down? F. For you, it's F. How many fingers? Yep. And for saxophone,
The second one.
C. Yeah, the one you're not supposed to use. Yeah. Okay. And for baritone, Eric. For baritone, what letter is it?
First one?
Number 3. E flat, like a flat elephant. Okay. All right, let's play it. Find it first. A high face for the brass instruments. First up. Don't fall off the cliff. All right, let's play. 1 and 2 and ready. 3. Ready. 3. Good. Now, Eric, you're actually overachieving. You get to relax and not work as hard. You get to be lazier. Not that lazy. Medium. There it is. Perfect. All right, now let's look at number 4. Clap and count it first. 1 and 2 and clap number 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and good. Now we need to show and tell. Showing and telling is where you show me your fingers while you tell me the note. So let's do tenor sax, trumpet, and clarinet all together. Are you ready? Now, does it change in the back half of this piece? Yes. What does it change to? Yeah. How did you know that? Well, I know it says it, but like if you're looking at it, it goes from a space to what? A line. Exactly. And for you, it goes from a top line to a top. So let's show and tell for the trumpet and tenor sax and clarinet. 1 and 2 and show and tell. F, 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 F. Rest, rest, ready, breathe. G, 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 rest. All right. I'm going to skip tenors. I'm going to skip alto sax. Baritone, you ready? 1 and 2 and ready, go. E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, rest, rest, rest. Breathe. F, 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 F. Good. Let's play it. Find your sweet spot. Find your sweet spot. ready, go. Now, my biggest thing with that was everything just kind of smeared together. Listen to how I want you to do it. Ready, listen. See how I'm separating everything? Let's try it. Arms are up. 1 and 2 and ready. 3. Now there we were a little bit behind the metronome. Okay, so stay right on it. 1 and 2 and ready. Beginning. Make sure you're looking at the music though, because it changes. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Let's try it again. Make sure we don't fall into the silence. 1 and 2 and ready. No, wait. Now that time you're hearing the click and then you're reacting. Make sure your tongue touches on the click. So you're going ta da da da, right on that big click. 1 and 2 and set and. Look at the music. All right. Ooh, we got one extra note. Do it one more time. This one say was good. 1 and 2 and ready, go.